so like strange.
It's because I don't have my glasses on.
Okay,
My face
put your glasses on then. Can you see
but
now?
I can see what Glenn Walker is in me. I'm trying to find a way not to.
No, just sit normally. Don't worry about that.
Okay. How about this?
Yeah, you don't have to see what's going on here because
Okay.
you have to look in the lens.
Okay.
Okay. Hi guys, it's Katya here and I'm back with another update. And this time I have my mom with me because a lot of people have been asking to see her hair to get an update on what's going on with her. So she is my special guest today. Mom, introduce yourself.
My name is Germaine and I'm here for the updates. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm loving my hair so far.
Mom, we're not there yet. Wait, I keep looking over here too. So do you want to talk about your hair?
Go ahead.
Okay.
What do I say?
She is 6 or 7 months.
May,
7 months. Yeah, you just hit 7 months. Okay. You can go ahead and talk about your hair, Mom.
I've been experiencing
Itchy scalp?
Yeah. Before it wasn't like that, but after retiring my hair, my scalp itched so badly. Is that it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, but talk from the beginning. How have you liked having your hair locked so far?
I love it so far because, in the morning, routine, you get up, you getting ready, you just spray your hair. It's not that it's just so easy to maintain it and do your own style, and then bam, you're gone. Sorry.
No, that's fine. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so you like having
I love having a lock.
You love having your hair locked. Okay. One thing about her hair is so thick. I am so shocked because her hair has gotten so thick. You can barely put it up together to put it like in a bun or a ponytail. It has also shrunk up a lot. I would say like the back half of her hair has lost probably about 2/3 of its original length. So her hair has shrunk up. Like if you look at our hair together, her hair has like shrunk up and gotten out and big, while mine is still like this is what I mean by I feel like my hair is lifeless, because it's just like seems flat compared to my mom's hair. But I have to stop comparing because you are 7 months and I am only 3 months. And our hair texture is so different. Yeah. What else do you want to talk about? We've talked about how many locks you have, right? You had, when we finished locking your hair, you had 549 locks. You had 546 because I've combined a couple. This last time that I retightened your hair, I combined more. I would say now she probably has about 540
or 42.
No, it's more 544 locks. Yeah, normally it takes about a day to retighten my mom's hair. One thing that I really want to get better at, like I want to master how to retighten quickly. Mostly for my mom's sake. Can I tell them about you falling? So in 2011 you fell on ice.
Yes, I
and
fell
then
on ice.
You hurt your tailbone. Because of that, it's been really hard for her to sit for an extended period of time. So I'm trying to get faster at retightening for her sake, because it's been an issue, it hurts and it's discomfort. So I want to get a lot faster at retightening than I am now. So that's my goal. Maybe by the next time we retighten her hair, I will practice more. I really want to get a doll head and do locks on the head and then practice retightening or practice doing it so that I'm much faster at it than I am now. So this last time, that was the fourth time that I have retightened my mom's hair. In the past, I once her hair was installed, I was retightening it like every month and a half to 2 months. The first 2 times I was still on campus at university, so I was only able to retighten her hair whenever I came back home, and we could, you know, get that day in quickly. But this time around, we were both busy. I got a new job. The problem was you work in the morning, but you normally get home around 4:30, right?
4:30.
And then I leave the house around 3, and I get home like 9 or 10. So our days don't overlap that much. So it's been hard to find the time for us to both sit and dedicate like a day or a couple hours each day to retightening. So we made a mistake and we hadn't retightened her hair in like 2.5 months. It was bad. So it took quite a while to retighten all of this. But yeah, we've learned not to let it go that long. Yeah.
Especially when your hair grows fast, you don't want to do that.
Yeah, your hair grows fast. Oh, yeah.
You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kind of quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You're black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love in you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need. Yeah. It's something about a black woman. Then let me know one of them gotta be the right woman. Gotta respect them cause all of them was created strong. Don't meet the standard of beauty, no, they create their own. Full of style and confidence as early as the birth stage. And every year they get more encouraged as they incur age. Cause you know black don't crack, and these women are Nickelodeon, I swear they all at it. Never been the type to mimic what they say look good on TV. Too busy in the mirror saying, man, it's good to be me. Or watching Naturally Gigi, learning from charismatic that they're precious as an unearthed amber when looking lavish. You're bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen. You are a queen. You're black, love, and confident too. Kinda quintessential and you love in you. Baby, you are a queen. Everything that I need. Yeah. You gotta love a naturalista. Beautiful, black, and exclusive, yeah, she the platinum visa. A black American expressly, they had a mother nature and say mother knows best. A little olive oil, maybe grape seed. In the winter, protected styles and quick weaves. Full of variety and class, but don't need any books. Medusa wardrobe, cause she can kill him with any look. And she don't do it for you fellas, don't lie to yourself. Working out for her health and her body and wealth. Uniquely individual, not what you see in magazines. Cause who would want a twin once they see that they can have a queen? Bold, loud, articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need. Baby, you are.
Anyways, guys, we want to say a huge thank you for watching the video.
Guys, thank you so much for watching the video.
Yeah, and I will see you next time. Bye.
We will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
When I see thee, and all you pioneers, cause like the queens from bar one, you took the throne.
No, are you looking here? No, you have to look here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, don't look in the...
Okay.
Okay.
How long this gonna take?
Until we get it right. Normally it takes... Mom, don't do your... Don't do this. Okay. You ain't nobody till you got somebody. You ain't nobody till you got somebody. I'm sorry. Mom,
What?
behave yourself.
You look good.
Oh no. Ooh, there we go. Lighting is better. Nothing. You just look like you're falling asleep,
No,
Mom.
no, I'm just...
Like cheer up or something.
I am.
Okay,
Hey,
thanks.
before we do this, you gotta make sure we make a practice before. Don't come and put me in the camera like this.